the boxing dumpling. Do you see this? That's a dumpling. And look at this. I will get the gold one. No, I don't know. Let's see. Why is it so hard to open? Why is it so hard to open? Yes! I got it. Just get away. Oopsie. I see it. Look what I got. It's so cute. Squishy, 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 squishy. On my cardboard. I don't mean to say that. Wow. This is a rainbow one. Let me check. There's no rainbow one. Ano ba to sa ano? Sa ano? Sa ilaw? Ay, palaman to kay glue. Meron siya ng pang dito. Look at the corn. The ears. Is he a cat? Narinig mo yan? You hear that? Yes. You what? Oh my god. Hey, stop falling. Wait for a second. It's not glow. It's not glow in the sun. But it's so cute though. Squishy, squishy. Oh my god. Why is it so slippery? The dumpling is so slippery. What? Look at this. It have a broken. Let's put it back. Stay there. Look at it. He's so cute. The blush. Hey. Mayroon pa itong mapalaman po. Ay! Yan. Kung umano kaya. Yan. Tulog ka lang dyan. This is my dumpling. Do you hear that? Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.